أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we will start reading of your textbook poem All Things Bright and Beautiful, written by Cecil Francis Alexander. Before poem reading, we will read the important words of the poem. First listen carefully, then read along with me. Bright, bright, beautiful, beautiful, creatures, creatures, wise, wise, wonderful, wonderful, Lord, Lord, each, each, flower, flower, opens, opens, sings, sings, mad, mad, glowing, glowing, tiny, tiny, wings, wings, purple, purple, headed, headed, mountain, mountain, river, river, running, running, sunset, sunset, morning, morning, brightens, brightens, sky, sky, wind, wind, winter, winter, pleasant, pleasant, ripe, ripe, fruits, fruits, eyes, eyes, might, might, great, great, almighty, almighty, well, well. Very good. Now listen all these words again and again until you will be able to pronounce them with correct pronunciation, accent and intonation.